Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your Amazon Fire TV simply is not working. Now, the first thing that you can go ahead and try is to power off and restart your TV with the remote. And to do this, press the play button down and the select button in the center of the screen. And when you do this, after about 5 seconds, your TV will go ahead and restart. And many times this will just simply fix the problem for me. Also, if this doesn't work, you can try unplugging the TV from the wall outlet for a couple minutes and then come back to it and see if that works as well. Now, if you're stuck at it like a black screen or something like that, or it's simply not loading, what you can do is press the back button and then the right button down on your remote and hold this down for about 10 to 15 seconds, and it may scroll on your TV, but a message will pop up that says reset to factory defaults, and it will give you a countdown timer if you don't do anything. And this will initiate the factory reset. So I can simply go to OK, and you will be logged out of your account, so you need to log back in. So you can go to OK, and then that should fix most of those issues. So if this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.